Hello everyone, it's Amy, and I just wanted to do a really quick update for the Brusho, the faux Brusho type powders. And so I just wanted to show you, I couldn't get to my double-sided tape because Papa's taking a nap, and so I'm just using regular Scotch tape and just roll it onto itself so that it's sticky all the way around. And then I put the part that's stuck together on the paper because it will stick to that better. And then just cut off the extra tape all the way around. I made my circles small enough to make sure that they fit on the top of my bottle. You don't want them sticking over the edges where they might get caught and pulled off and then your hole is exposed. And then we have our hole right in the middle of our lid here to shake our powders out. And so I just am going to just put that right over top of there. And then when you want to use them, you just peel this off, expose the hole, use them, and then just tape it right back on there again. So, and if your tape gets to the point where it gets bad, then just, put another piece of tape on there. I have to move this over because it's not kind of in the middle. It doesn't want to go in the middle. Okay, so there we go. This is how they look when they're all done up. We've got 9 different colors there. And the one thing I also forgot to tell you is you get all your little goodies. Don't forget to keep your goodies. These little things might make really cute dream catchers, especially with their shape, and you get 2 in each package. And then you've got your boxes that you can make tags, cut cute pictures out of. And don't forget, if you pop out these circles, you can use them for masks, and you can use this back panel as a stencil with all those circles on it. So don't forget to look at what you have left to use for other things. And the part that I like the best is these crayons. These make a great wax resist when you want to put color on something like your sprays. And let's say you want to color a flower on it and then spray it. And then where this wax is, it will resist. And so these are hard to get your hands on. So I always try and keep those at Easter time, except my kids aren't little anymore, so we don't really color anymore. So don't forget to keep these crayons. To me, they're the most important part out of that box after our little colored powders. So I just wanted to just show you what they look like when they're done and show you how I tape the tops on and how I put them in there so that they won't spill. Thanks again for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I hope that you all have an outstanding day. Bye-bye.